Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can turn on or off keyboard sound or vibration in your device Samsung Z Fold. So if you want the keyboard sound or vibration to be turned off or on, you can do it in few steps, which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how can you turn on or off keyboard sound or vibration.